This is Eric Mother.com recording this video for May 31st. And I'm going to be taking a look at the XLF by way of looking at Goldman Sachs going back to early 2018. As a follow-up video, there's a video that I'm going to include in the description of this video where I was discussing the weekly chart somewhere around here in February of 2018, before, of course, this big drop. So even while we are seeing this big drop for the month, down about 10% in the month of May 2019, the truth is, if you go back, we can now see that not only was the weekly chart giving us some type of a red flag somewhere here, we also see now that one of the reasons why this was good enough to caution any long-term holders at the time in early 2018 is because we can see that on the monthly chart, if you consider January 2018's monthly closing high, we see that we tried to break out and failed in the month of March. That failed breakout on the monthly was a big red flag. And if anyone had used that as a sign of running out of momentum, running out of upside bias and upside intent, this failed monthly breakout was a huge signal to be cautious. And we can see, because of that failed breakout over time, this is what has happened. Again, failed breakouts are notorious for taking markets lower. Take a look. There should be a link in the description of this video where I was discussing the weekly chart sometime during the month of February 2018. Peace and blessings. ESS.